Let's solve this question together. That says, if 8 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x equals 39, we are asked to find the value of x. Before we proceed, please follow us on this platform. Okay, so I have 8 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x, and they say is equals to 39, and we are asked to find the value of x. So how do we solve this kind of problem? Now, if you look at the left-hand side, there is the power of s, but on the right-hand side, none of such exists. So what do? I'm going to break the right-hand side or transform it in a way that it will look like the left-hand side. First thing I'm going to do is to find two numbers that I can multiply to give me 39. And those two numbers are 3 and 13. 3 and 13. So I'm going to have 8 to the power of x minus 5x will be 3 times 13, which is 39. Now I will express 3 in form of 8 minus 5 and do the same thing for 13. This will be 8 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x. Now what is 3? If I express 3 in terms of 8 and 5, 3 means 8 minus 5. What is 13 in terms of 8 and 5? 13 is 8 plus 5. Now in mathematics, there is what we call difference of two squares, which means if I have a minus b and a plus b, it is going to be a square minus b square. So if you look at this now, I have a minus b, 8 minus 5, and I have a plus b, which is 8 plus 5, which means my result is going to be 8 square minus 5 square. That becomes difference of two square. So if I plug that to the right hand side, I'm going to have 8 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x. I'm going to have 8 square minus 5 square. Now if you look at this, these two are similar. You have 8 here minus 5, you have 8 minus 5, and you have their powers. So this implies that the value of x is equals to 2.